SimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you could join me for today's 2-minute tip because this one just might change your life. Hey, we're going to be talking about metallic thread, and if you've ever worked with metallic thread, you know it can sometimes have a mind of its own. Well, as the saying goes, mother knows best, and my mom came up with this fabulous idea for working with metallic thread that makes it so easy, and I'm going to show you how to create her fancy little tool. Fancy? I don't know about that, but it sure works. This is just a piece of chipboard that I have cut down I've added an inch to whatever size my focal image is that I'm going to be using. I've just added an inch to that. So this one here, this is a 2 1/4 inch circle punch, so I have a 3 1/4 inch piece of chipboard. The length doesn't matter, whatever works for you. Now, in advance, I did make a tick mark here at the center line, and then you want to come along at that center line, take your bone folder, and you're going to want to give that a nice little crease. Now, I'm going to come in with my classic label punch, and I want to center up that line in the punch. You notice we're not going all the way. We really just want to punch a little slit out of this chipboard. We're going to give it a punch. And now, on that fold line, let's just give that a little bend. Now, I'm going to come in with some packing tape, and I want to put this packing tape on the side. This is going to allow the metallic thread to slide off of my tool, and I've added that to both sides. Now we will come in with our metallic thread, hold it here with your thumb, wrap it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, however many times you want. You're just going to put your finger right here, give this a little bend, and guys, it slides right off. It's such a brilliant idea. Now, to add it on to your focal image, I've used Stampin' Dimensionals. This will work with snail, tear and tape, whatever you're going to be working with, but you'll just kind of give that a little fluff. Press it down onto your dimensionals. This little tool is awesome. Once you've made one, you're just going to keep these and just make different sizes for your different size focal images.